Hi, my name is Keisha and welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe and help me to grow my channel. Today we're going to be talking about my Longchamp Le Pliage repair experience, and we're also going to do a double reveal from the Longchamp store. So let's go ahead and get started. Yesterday I celebrated my birthday and I went to one of my favorite malls in South Florida, which is the Aventura Mall. And it just so happened that my repair was ready, so I was able to visit some lovely stores and pick up my repair from the Longchamp store. So, first and foremost, I just want to say I had such a pleasurable and beautiful experience at the Longchamp store. They were very friendly, professional, and proficient. And who doesn't like good service? Unfortunately, most of the time in South Florida, it's a hit or miss. Sometimes you'll go into a luxury store and you will not get good service. So I was very happy to have had the experience that I did have. So I just want to go ahead and say that I did pick up my Longchamp Le Pliage bag, and this is my 10-year-old original style Longchamp bag. It has the black nylon and it has the brown leather and gold hardware. So they did go ahead and fix all of the corners for me that were frayed, and they restored the bag beautifully. All of the corners look fantastic. So I was very happy about that. And while I was there, my husband and I went to the mall. So while I was there, he was so happy with the ladies that were helping us. He was like, let's go ahead and pick something up, honey. And since it was my birthday, I did get some goodies from there that I was not planning on. And I do have my birthday reveal video coming soon. But if you can see, all of the corners are beautifully restored back to normal. Now there is some dust on the bag that I have to clean up, but that is what they repaired, and I'm very happy to say that my travel bag is up and running again. And if you guys do go over to the Longchamp in Aventura Mall, they are absolutely wonderful people working there. So, I mean, the level of service was top notch, and I do definitely appreciate that when I'm shopping. So I did pick up two things that I was not planning on, so that's always nice. I will start out with this little cutie, and I am so happy to add this little bag to my Longchamp collection. So let me go ahead. It does come in this envelope style packaging. So usually, and I want to tell you guys something, this bag I purchased from Bloomingdale's, and the ladies, when they took it in 5 weeks ago, it was hassle-free. No one asked me where it was purchased. Everything that they did, they just took in their product. I mean, a lot of luxury houses don't stand behind their items, and I did not pay 1 cent for them to fix the corners of this handbag. So to me, that is a fantastic guarantee. And the ladies reassured me that any bag that I had, I could go ahead and take it into the store and it would be repaired just like this one. So, I mean, that is something that is absolutely exceptional, because as you know, if you go into Louis Vuitton, and I have many times because I like to keep my handbags in pristine condition. So if I see something going wrong with any handbag, I take it in right away, and they do charge you quite a bit for every repair. If you go into Chanel, they won't even meddle with the handbag. So, I mean, this is something that, like, that is exceptional customer service. And that is something that you really do not find in most luxury retail stores anymore. So let me go back to the reveal, but I did have to say that. I mean, that just blew me away, and they were just so nice. So the first item that I did pick up was this little cutie, and it's part of the green collection. And I saw this on Bloomingdale's and online. I love shopping online. And there are a few times that I will go into the mall if there is something that I cannot find. But since I was there picking up my repair and doing some other things, I decided to purchase this from the store. Now, the green collection is made of recycled canvas. So it is one of their newer collections, and the ladies did tell me that eventually they want to change the whole line to represent the green collection. So they want all of their different Le Pliage bags to go green. But this little cutie, I mean, as you guys can see, this is very teeny tiny. I'm holding it in the palm of my hand, and it's a little Le Pliage bag. I mean, it probably can't hold very much, but it was so cute, and it was a nice way for me to try this new line that they have. So it has the fold over with a snap button closure. It has the leather trim, and it is black leather. And how you know it's part of the green collection is it has the little green edge on both sides. Okay, it does have beautiful silver hardware, and then it has the black nylon canvas, and it is so adorable. The inside is just a little pouch. And I mean, I just think this is just so cute if you need to just grab something and just be on the run. And I did want to try something with just a top handle, because most of my Longchamp bags are shoulder carry. So I just thought this was absolutely adorable. And there she is. So cute. And once I use her a little while, I will let you guys know how she's working out for me. Now, the other thing that I did pick up, and I definitely wasn't planning on getting anything, but my husband was so impressed with the level of service that these ladies gave. He said, let's go ahead and get something. You can always use it. So, I mean, that was a nice unexpected surprise yesterday. Now this is, I am going to be doing some traveling soon, and this is definitely something that I do not have in my collection, and it is like a little travel weekender bag. So we're going to go ahead and open her up. It is also part of the green collection. So, and it is matching. And if you did watch my last Longchamp video, I have one of these bags that are kind of convertible, that the zippered center, you can make the bag smaller. And this travel bag is the same concept. So I did go ahead and I chose that black nylon canvas because I thought it would have been best for traveling, so it could hide all of the scuffs. And if you guys can see, nice and shiny, beautiful canvas. as opposed to my 10-year-old canvas bag. Now this bag is a warrior and has been through many airports and a lot of, destruction, but she's still going. And as you can see, this is also part of the green collection. It has those green edging right here. Beautiful silver hardware. And on the snap closure, it also has the adjustable, removable strap and the top handle. So I'm really excited to use this. Now, I am going to Ohio. My husband took a job there. He's already there. And eventually, our family is gonna move there. Am I excited? No. I have lived in Florida. All of my family lives in Florida, so I'm used to Florida, but I guess soon I will turn into a snow bunny and I'll get to experience those seasons that I was letting you guys know on the last video that I don't have here in Florida. But for now, this is what it is. So that will be my new home soon. But let's look at the inside of this bag. Now this is kind of large, so let's go ahead and look and see what's on the inside. Now it is like a black hole for right now. You have just one interior pocket. Now you have the card right there. And it looks like there's only one interior pocket and then the big black hole. Okay, and we'll go ahead and make it smaller and see how cute this looks. So as you know, just like the last time, I have not gotten much practice with this, but let's go ahead and close her up and see how she looks and convert her into a smaller travel bag. So we are gonna go up for a couple of weeks and just check out the Ohio area that we're gonna be living in. And I am going to see how that goes, and hopefully I'll find a nice mall there. So I'm a little bit better at closing this one than the last one. I guess I got a little bit of, okay, so this is how it looks when it's zipped up. These convertible bags are so awesome because you can, if you're taking a little less, you can definitely make it smaller. So it is definitely what a good looking bag. And let's compare it to the large. So as you can see, it's really not that much bigger, but it's definitely like a nice travel size. I'll go ahead and clip the other side so you guys can check her out. It's definitely a good looking bag. So I love Longchamp. It's so durable, and you can definitely, sorry about that, look sharp and polished and stylish and on your way. So what a beautiful bag. So these are two of the goodies that I got yesterday on the big birthday that were unexpected. So look out for my birthday reveal. It is coming soon. And I got some very lovely, beautiful gifts that I want to share with you guys. But for now, I am just showing my Longchamp goodies, and I wanted to talk about the wonderful experience that I had as far as my repair. So it is just lovely to know that you have such a great guarantee from that brand. So I have a matching little set that I can carry. My little essentials and then my travel bag. Well, until next time, God bless you all. I hope you have a wonderful day and take care of yourselves. And please remember to like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.